In this video, we will cover how to deploy a query cluster for GeoSpock DB discovery. There are instructions that you can follow on the documentation page under the Discovery tab titled Deploying GeoSpock DB Discovery. So I'll go through all the steps that are covered here for the basic case. So the first step is to open the link that is under the deployment section, which is called Launch a GeoSpock DB Discovery Deployment, which will take you to either a login for your AWS account, or if you are already logged in, it will take you to a Cloudformation script, which is preset. And on this template, all you need to do is fill in a few fields to be able to launch the query stack. So the first field is the stack name, and this is a free-form field, so you can fill it with whatever name you'd like to make it easier for you to track the discovery cluster. In this example, I will call it my company discovery test for simplicity. Under the other parameters, the VPC ID should have one option that comes down on the pull down, so if you choose that one, that will work. For the subnet IDs, there are a list of 3 that come up in the pull down. Please select at least 2. You can select all 3 if you'd like, but for this example, I will choose the top 2. For the number of Presto worker nodes, this is the number of worker nodes in the query cluster that we are creating. So we would recommend that if you are looking to run queries to test GeoSpock DB discovery and the performance, please use at least 10. That is our recommended number. You can use a bigger cluster size. The number is unlimited. However, 10 is the minimum number we would recommend here. Please get in touch if you'd like further recommendations on the correct size for you to try. For source CIDR, this is just your IP address, which if you look on the documentation, there's actually a page that we recommend to get that from under here. So you can click this link if you'd like, and just put that in with a /32 at the end. You can leave these 3 blank for this example, and then tick the box and hit Create Stack. So after you hit this button, it should take a few minutes for the query cluster to spin up. And in that process, while that process is going on, it will be labeled with Create in Progress. And when that has completed, which should be several minutes, the label should read Create Complete, and then you are ready to go. When this has actually been started up, you can go to the next step, which you can find under First Steps with Discovery, which will tell you how to connect Discovery with your data analytics tools.